Yeah, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's project is a quick one and it features these very cute little boxes, gift boxes from the Sweet Talk Suite, which is on pages 8 and 9 of the new mini catalogue. Here they are here, they're called Sweet Little Boxes. They come flat just like that and they already have the tape on them. So they are so super easy to put together. I've just decorated this one by making a little belly band using paper from that same Sweet Talk suite, and it just slides off like that, and then the box opens up just like that. You can put your little treat inside there. Now obviously you could decorate the outside of the box too, but I just wanted to show you A, how easy it is to put the box together, and B, how simple it is to make this little decoration. There's no stamping, just some die cutting with the great dies that are in this suite. So let's put the box together. As I said, they come together flat packed, and this is the pack, and there are there's 10 in the pack. So let's grab a bone folder and just fold on all these score lines, fold and burnish all the score lines. You definitely need to do this. The box is easy to does go together really easy, but and it doesn't come with instructions because it's so easy to put together. So basically, these two pieces here are going to fold in, and then this one with the tape is going to come in like that. And then that's how it goes together. Right, let's take the tape off. And hopefully it will become clearer. Okay, so I'm going to bring up that small side there, bring that one in. So I'm bringing the two tabs inside, okay, and I'm folding this one without the tape back over this one with the tape. That's that side done. Okay, so that little tab's folded in, bringing this one over, lining it up, securing it down, and there you have it. Super easy. Super, super, super easy. Done. Now if you wanted to really make it clear what's the front of the box, because it is a little bit tricky, you could actually just put a little a mark in there with one of your punches just to have like a thumb mark opening. Right, so that's the box. So all I've done is I've grabbed a piece of the designer series paper in this suite. That's the paper there. Sweet Talk designer series paper. Really pretty, fun colours. And this box measures, I think it measures 6 centimetres across. Say 6.5 centimetres across. So I just cut my paper down, the 12 by 12 down to about 6, just to have a little bit of the edge of the box showing. And I've kept it as a 12 by 12, so I haven't trimmed anything off the edge, although I might need to on this one actually, when I think about it. See, there's a little bit poking up the top there, so we'll just trim that off. So all I'm doing is wrapping it round and getting the natural fold of where the paper is going to go. There, and then I'm just going to trim that little bit off. So yeah, you probably could take your 12 by 12 down to, I'll just trim a centimetre off. There you go. Right, so let's give those folded lines a burnish so that it sits nicely on the box as the wrap. And still a little bit long, isn't it? Right, I'll just chop that end bit off. So maybe take 2 centimeters off. Right, now where's the front of the box, top of the box? It's that one there. Okay. There we are. And then all I'm going to do is grab my tape. Stampin' Seal Plus. And bring that over to fold in. Not too tight, not too loose. I want it just to be able to slide off easily. Next thing is this fabulous ribbon. This is the, what's it called? It's called the faux linen ribbon, and it is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So I'm just going to tie that at the top. There's no stamping with this one. I might have cut a little bit too much ribbon off there. Oh well. That's okay. Now, I have also gone ahead and die cut the heart. So this die set has gorgeous little die that makes this little envelope. Has little dies for the hearts. It has different shaped hearts. So these are the more narrower hearts, and these are the rounded ones. So yeah, I just wanted something a little bit different, and I used the colours that were in the paper here. So this paper's got Bermuda Bay and Pool Party and Granny Apple Green, and what else has it got in there? It's got a little bit of saffron as well. Definitely Blushing Bride. So let's fold up our little envelope. How cute is this? Obviously the stamp set has a very lovely sentiments for Valentine's Day. And when I made it, I actually had originally made it with Happy Valentine's Day stamp cut out down the bottom, but I decided just to keep it like this so it can be really for any occasion. Just put a little bit of tape on that one. So I've already gone ahead and put my mini dimensionals on the bottom of each of the hearts, because I don't want them to be attached to this, I don't want them to show. So just pop this one, the red one, in first, just peeking out there. And because I wanted them to be have the tape at the bottom as opposed to top. I didn't want them touching the paper. And a little bit of saffron. There we go. It's cute, right? And then I have another little tiny one of the tiny hearts, tiny hearts in saffron, just for down the bottom here. Go. And then, whoops, get back on there. Cute. I'm going to put some dimensionals on directly onto here. And just to keep that bow, that ribbon in position, when I made the last one, I put a tiny little one of the mini glue dots underneath it. You don't have to, I just felt it kind of stayed in place. These are the little mini glue dots that come in our kits. I always have some left over. And just put this directly on here. And here you go. How simple is that? That is super easy to make, right? I might have my bow a little bit big. I went a little bit extreme with the ribbon, But hey, it's cute ribbon, right? So probably have to order more, I suspect, because I love it. And there it is. Easy peasy, cute little sweet gift boxes. There they are. There's that one made. Oops, that one there. Might just put a little bit, see it's wobbling a little bit. Might just put a little blue dot right there. And put that there. There we are. Now we're right. There we go. Cute little gift box. Very easy to make, super easy to make using products from the Sweet Talk Suite. I hope you enjoyed that video. I have put a link to all the products I've used in the description bar below. Thank you for watching and have a fabulous day. Bye.